At New Year's, hope springs eternal. Say goodbye to a year gone past and toast the beginning of a new one with resolutions to be a better you. After a long break, you're back at work on January 2nd. It looks like your boss is in a similar spirit. 9 a.m., an all-hands meeting, and there it is. 2015 is going to be the best year yet. Not only is revenue going to grow by leaps and bounds, but you're going to go on a hiring spree, open a new international office, sign up a whole bunch of new clients, and dramatically increase your products and services. So here you are, an IT admin, sitting in a big room, nodding and smiling with everyone else and thinking, yikes, this is all going to fall on me. You look down at your to-do list, and it seems you've got a whole lot more to add to it. For one, you're already experiencing a data deluge. Terabytes are disappearing left and right. Your boss keeps pressing you to set up a secure private cloud. Gotta do that. Next, you have to find yourself a few more productive hours in the day. There's still so much more to do. Okay, calm down. Let's think about what's ahead. You're setting up an international office for the first time, and things are going to get complicated having to both separate and consolidate network elements between London and New York. You're also tinkering with some back office services in India, managing some of your database and order processing. You'll have to expand their role for sure. Ever wonder how all of these elements will work together seamlessly? Okay, think. Next, you're going to have a larger, more demanding workforce. If you want young talent, you got to let them work on tablets, laptops, and of course, their mobile phones. You got to figure out how to allow access across multiple devices and platforms. It's got to be secure, really secure. This is starting to get complicated. And that brings up another thing. You constantly question whether you have the in-house expertise to do all the things you need. No one needs to tell you that the amount of products and services available multiplies every day in the IT world. You need empowering software, but which ones are the best fit? The boss wants a private cloud, but there are also some viable public cloud options out there too. You're also tempting fate by not having an infrastructure protected against data disasters. You're going to need some other brains in the room to help you attack some of these problems. On top of everything, one issue you can't ignore is that your IT dedicated budget is shrinking going into the new calendar year. But with big goals like these, is it possible to do more with less? The boss sure thinks so. Without question, this year, more than any, you won't be able to afford bad choices or missteps. So how will you do it? Thought about cloning yourself? One of you can go transform the business, and the other can deal with the hundreds of tiny micro tasks that normally dominate your workday. Whether it's failing hardware, performance issues, or connectivity, you're not going to find new blocks of time to project manage everything required to meet your new ambitious goals. Thankfully, there's a company out there that can come to the rescue. Pick up the phone and call us, Dynamic Network Factory Consulting Services. Built from a 16-year history of pioneering innovative and cost-effective technology solutions, DNF Consulting brings with it a network of IT talent that can discover, analyze, evaluate, and deliver technical expertise and solutions on nearly any IT project. We're flexible too, whether it's providing dedicated resources locally or remotely. We have the ability to meet your needs with customized services. What's more, DNF's style of engagement isn't pushy. Our goals are your goals, and we commit to solid communication and to meet deadlines throughout your project. Okay. Now you can genuinely smile and nod with everyone else in the room. 2015 will turn out to be a great year after all. Dynamic Network Factory Consulting Services. Our expertise, your growth. Visit us at dnfcorp.com/consulting and get your year rolling right.